Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very nice mod or an upgrade that you can do to your Mercedes-Benz or any car in general that has side markers. It's very easy and it's very inexpensive, and it just makes your car look a ton better in my opinion. And without wasting any time, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can do this on a Mercedes-Benz W220 S-Class. Let's get started. So here's my side marker, and the first thing you want to do is make sure that your lights are turned off, and then with a flathead screwdriver you're going to stick it on the big side, not the rounded side but the straight side. Stick your screwdriver in and just gently pull out, just like that. Once it's out, you're just going to grab it, so just give it a firm pull and it should come out. And as you guys are seeing, nothing broke, all the tabs are good, and my side marker is out. And then just twist the bulb out just like that, and then you can upgrade this to LED if you guys want. I'll have a regular bulb replacement as well as an LED replacement in my description down below in case you guys want to change it, and I'll also have some part numbers down below in case you want to get a newer looking clear side marker or a pre-smoked side marker. So please make sure to check that out in the description box. But if you guys are like me and you want to mod it yourself and turn this into that, then all you need is a can of smoke paint. This is from Plasti Dip. So let's get started. Let me show you guys on how easily we can do this. So the key to make this look as best as possible is preparation. So make sure the surface is completely clean, and this is Plasti Dip, it's not paint, it's just a rubber coating, and if you guys mess up you can always rub it off and then do it again. And we're going to put on about 5 coats, and with 5 coats and letting it dry for about 12 hours, it's going to stick on very nice and it won't come off through your car washes, and it's going to last for years. So let's get started. The first coat, make sure you shake up the can well. For your first coat, it's going to be very light, so just give it a couple passes just like that and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Second coat. For the second coat, we're going to do a few extra passes, so like this. Even with the second coat, it might not look like the light is getting smoked, but once it starts drying and once we hit it with a few more coats, just how my other side marker is at the moment. It's been another 15 minutes. It's time for the third coat. And for this coat, we're going to go just as heavy. And now I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. So after my third coat, I let it sit overnight, and now I'm about to hit it with a fourth coat. And as you guys are starting to see, it's starting to actually get smoked. It's getting darker. So once this fourth coat dries, I'm going to change the angle of the light so I could get all the angles and finish it with the fifth coat. I've let it dry for almost half an hour, and now I'm going to slowly grab it, flip it over just like that, and now I'm going to hit it with my fifth and last coat. Just like that, I'm going to now let it dry for about an hour just to make sure it's completely dry, since it is a thick coat. But once it's dry, I'll reinstall this and then I'll share with you guys how it looks before and after. Here are the results after the fifth coat drying, and I gotta say, it looks amazing. I'm going to plug it back in right now. I'm going to reinstall it back into place and then turn the lights on and share with you guys the after result. I'm standing about 1 foot away from it with the light on my phone, and as you guys are seeing, it is a very smoked look. I'm going to turn the lights on now, and here's how it looks with the light on. The visibility is still very clear of the light. It completely functions, but it adds a very nice aggressive appearance with the smoked look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy mod for your Mercedes S-Class. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.